Our universe was born 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, but how will it meet its end? Let's explore science's for most chilling doomsday scenarios. 1. Heat, DEATH, Big Freeze. The second law of thermodynamics says that heat always moves from hot to cold, increasing overall entropy or disorder. As the universe expands, any energy differences between objects will eventually be spread evenly, meaning no more hot or cold, just a uniform lukewarm void. All stars will burn out one by one. Matter will approach absolute zero or minus 273 degrees Celsius. Planets will decay, their orbits no longer stable due to a lack of energy. Atoms themselves will reach minimum energy, no longer vibrating. All that will remain is an infinite, dark, frigid void with nothing happening, not even light. 2. Big Crunch. If dark energy, which is causing the accelerated expansion of the universe, mysteriously weakens, gravity could eventually overcome expansion and the entire universe would literally begin to collapse. Galaxies would spiral into a central point, crashing into each other and merging. Stars would be flung into the maelstrom, stripped of their electrons, and planets would get sucked into gargantuan black holes. Everything would collapse into a singularity, possibly triggering a new Big Bang with the universe starting over again. Estimated timeline, currently impossible to determine. There's no evidence that dark energy is weakening. In fact, all measurements suggest it's becoming stronger, making this scenario less likely. 3. Big Rip. If dark energy doesn't just weaken but instead increases in strength, the expansion of the universe would become so violent that first galaxies, then stars and planets would tear apart. Atoms would get ripped apart into their subatomic parts, and finally, even those subatomic particles would be shredded. This doomsday scenario depends on a runaway effect from dark energy, which has been ruled out by many scientists. However, others argue that it cannot be excluded. Critical date. Some scientists estimate that the Big Rip could happen as early as 22 billion years from now. Others say it would take much longer. 4. False vacuum decay. Our universe might be in a metastable state, like a ball sitting at the bottom of a hill. According to quantum field theory, our universe could suddenly transition into a true vacuum state, which would be like the ball rolling down the hill. The moment the universe changes from metastable to true vacuum, a lightspeed reboot wave would instantaneously erase all matter, space, time, and the laws of physics as we know them. We can't really know what would happen since the laws of physics would change. Some physicists speculate that a new universe might emerge. Others believe it would simply be a new phase of the same universe. Warning: this doomsday scenario is highly speculative and linked to the hypothetical Higgs field, which has never been observed. What do scientists say today? A 2023 study published in Physical Review D argues that heat death is most likely. The study's author, Dr. Ariel Quaintley of the Institute for Advanced Studies, says the heat death scenario is the only one that fits with observations. While the exact timeline of the heat death remains uncertain, the James Webb Telescope is gathering crucial data about dark energy, which will help refine our understanding of the universe's fate. By the way, here's a mind-bending question for you. If the universe is doomed, should we try to upload human consciousness to escape our cosmic fate? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We've made it to the end of this video, which means you've had a cosmic adventure through the possible doomsday scenarios of our universe. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Take care and see you soon. Do you want to learn more about space and the universe?